Hello guys, welcome to Srimas. Today we are going to study about a topic in mathematics, metrics in 12th standard. Metrics. What do you mean by the term metrics? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions into a fixed number of rows and columns. A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers into rows and columns. For example, 11, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, numbers are arranged into a rectangular form. This is first row. This is second row. The horizontal arrangement rows. Vertical columns. That is the first column, the second column, the third column. Vertical columns. Vertical arrange 11, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Then here 2 rows and 3 columns. Once more. What do we mean by the term matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions into a fixed number of rows and columns. The order of a matrix, in general, the order of a matrix having m rows and n columns. In columns is m by n. We write as n into n, but we read as m by n. That is, when we say that the order of a matrix is m by n, then it means there are m rows and n columns in that matrix. M rows and n columns in that matrix. A matrix, in short, a matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers arranged into fixed rows and columns. A rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions arranged into fixed rows and columns. If there are m rows and n columns, its order is m rows and n columns. The order of that matrix is m by n. We write this as m into n, but we read this as m by n. That is, in the matrix of order m by n, there are m rows and n columns. A matrix having 5 rows and 3 columns. The order of that matrix is (5 by 3). We write this as like this, 5 into 3, but we read as the order of that matrix is, this matrix is 5 by 3. So if the order of a matrix is 5 by 3, that means that matrix have 5 rows and 3 columns. 5 rows and 3 columns. The matrix in the order of 5 by 3. Then we can study about different types of matrices. Row matrix. Row matrix is a matrix in which which have only one row, and any number of columns. Row matrix is a matrix which have only one row and a different number of columns. That is, for example, 2, 3, 5, 1. This is a row matrix. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഒരു റോയെ കാണത്തുള്ളൂ. ഡിഫറൻറ്റ് കോളംസ് ആണ്. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 കോളംസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഓർഡർ എത്ര ആണ്? 1 റോയും 1, 2, 3, 4. എത്ര കോളംസ് ഉണ്ട്? 1/4. The order of this matrix is 1/4. That means the row matrix have only 1 row and a different number of columns. Order of this matrix is 1/4. 1 row and 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, study another. We write another example. 5, 6, 7. Here is only 1 row, 5, 6, 7, and 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. Either the order of this row matrix is 1/3. 1/3 means 1 row and 3 columns. The row matrix is a matrix which have only 1 row, any number of columns. To put it in brief, a row matrix is a matrix which have only 1 row and any number of columns. Column matrix. This column matrix. What do you mean by column matrix? Column matrix. A matrix which have only 1 column matrix, 1 column and any number of rows. A column matrix is a matrix in which there is only 1 column and any number of rows. For example, one, 3, 5. That is only 1 column and rows at 1, 2, 3. Square matrix. Square matrix is a matrix. What do you mean by a square matrix? A matrix in which the number of rows and columns are equal. That is 4 rows and 4 columns. Order is 4/4. 3 rows and 3 columns. 3/3. A square matrix is a matrix in which the number of columns and the number of rows are equal. If there are 5 rows, then 5 columns. That is, order is 5/5. സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെ രൂപത്തിലായിരിക്കും. എക്സാമ്പിൾ 2, 3, 1. 5, 4, -6, 7, 8, 0. This is a square matrix in which there are 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 rows and 3 columns. That is, the number of rows equal to number of columns. A matrix in which the number of rows and number of columns are equal is known as a square matrix. Then consider another matrix. 8, 1. 5, 4, 0, 2. 6, 1, 0, 8. 4, 5, 6, 1. Then this is in the form of a square. That is 4 rows and 4 columns. And order of this matrix is 4/4. 4/4. a matrix in which the number of rows and number of columns are equal is known as a square matrix. A matrix having, in general, a matrix having n columns and n rows, that is n rows and n columns, order of square matrix n by n rows and n columns. What do you know about the diagonal elements of a matrix? ആ പേരിൽ തന്നെ ഉണ്ട് diagonal elements of a, then we consider a square matrix general Aij, A equal to Aij. Matrices are denoted by capital letters X, Y, A, B, etc. What do you mean by diagonal elements? Diagonal elements. The elements Aij of a square matrix A equal to, we denote the matrices by letters capital letter A, capital letter B, C, D, etc. O equal to matrix Aij of order n by n, that is there are n rows and n columns. Then we can write these elements are called the diagonal elements. Diagonal elements of square matrix of order n by n, that is n rows and n columns. We write this matrix. Yeah, we can study the diagonal elements. And I write n rows and n columns. First row A11, first row ile second element A12, A13, A14, etc. A1n, A1n, n rows. Second row ile first element A21, A22, second row ile third element A23, A24, etc. A2n, second row ile last element, n rows n columns. Then third row A31, third row ile first element A31, third row ile second element A32, A33, A34, etc. A3n, last element of third row, etc. ഇനി എന്ത് റോ, ലാസ്റ്റ് റോ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്ത് റോയാണ്? എന്ത് റോ മീൻസ് എന്ത് റോയിലെ ഫസ്റ്റ് എലമെന്റ് an1, എന്ത് റോയിലെ സെക്കൻഡ് എലമെന്റ് an2, an3, an4, etc. ann. The last element is nth rowile nth element, n rows and n columns. Order of this matrix is n by n square matrix. Then we consider the diagonal elements A11, ഈ diagonal ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന elements. A11 diagonal മോഡലിൽ വരുന്ന സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെ ഡയഗണൽ ആയിരിക്കും. A11 ആ ഡയഗണലിൽ കൂടെ പോയിട്ടുള്ള എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് ഏതാ? A11, A22, A33, A44, etc. ANN. These elements are known as diagonal elements. These elements are known as diagonal elements. This diagonal is known as the principal diagonal. Principal diagonal of square matrix, and this diagonal is known as principal diagonal or leading diagonal. We consider a square matrix of having n rows and n columns. Then the order of that square matrix is n by n. Then diagonal matrix. A square matrix Aij is said to be a diagonal matrix if its element not on principal diagonal are 0. അതായത് എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഇത് diagonal matrix of order 3 by 3, diagonal matrix of order 4 by 4. That is Aij equal to 0 for not I not equal to j. all elements except diagonal elements are 0. We can study about another identity matrix. Identity matrix we consider a square matrix in which all non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are equal to 1. It is square matrix of order 2 by 2. It is 1 0 0 1. Here diagonal elements are equal to 1 and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Next 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. All diagonal elements are equal to 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. All elements except diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are equal to 1. This kind of matrix is known as identity matrix or unity matrix. I2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 1 0 0 1. I3 പറയാം 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. The diagonal elements are 1 and all other elements are except diagonal elements are 0. Same null matrix or 0 matrix. Null matrix പേരിൽ തന്നെ ഉണ്ട്. A matrix in which all elements are 0 is known as a null matrix or 0 matrix. Example. Matrix 0 0 0 0 0 0. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാരിലേക്കും എത്തിക്കുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കല്ലേ. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ ഓൾ.